How to use a verb in a sentence. A sentence needs at least two things. Le sujet, which is whoever does the action. Le verbe, which is the action itself. Sometimes a third thing is added. It is le complément, which is the person or thing affected by the action. For example, Kevin boit de l'eau. Kevin drinks water. Kevin is the sujet. Boit is le verbe. De l'eau is le complément. Let's see some other examples. Julie mange des oranges. Julie eats oranges. Maman dort. Mom sleeps, so there is no complement here. Les enfants jouent le jeu. The kids play the game. Le sujet. It can be two things, either le nom, name, or le pronom, pronoun. Let's start with les noms. For example, Kevin, Sarah, les enfants, maman, mon frère.